Hi, today in front of me Galaxy S23 Ultra, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here we'll see the sound, vibration and mood modes. Just to change them we should select one from these modes. Just in mood mode we also can use the temporary mode, just also set the hours 1 to 3 or custom. Also in sound mode we can use vibrate while ringing option. Also here we can see the ringtone notification sound sections. We can select one from these available sounds to change them. In system sound section we can see the system sound volume panel, so just to change it we should slide to the left or to the right side this blue dot. We can change also the system sound temp, and to turn on and turn off the touch interactions, dial buttons, keyboards, Samsung keyboard sounds, charging sounds and screen lock and lock sounds. So just to turn on and turn off all of these options we should use the switchers. So go back in the volume section, we can change the ringtone, media, notifications and systems sounds just by slide to the slide to the left or to the right side these dots. If you want to use your volume keys for media, you should turn on the switcher, but if you want to change with the help of the volume buttons the ringtone volume, you should turn off the switcher. Also we can change the call and vibration the calls and notifications vibration patterns, or just select one from these available ones which you will like. In system vibration we got the same settings like in the system sound, so we can change the vibration intensity, and to turn on and turn off the vibration for touch interactions, dial pads, the keyboard, charging, navigation gestures and the camera feedback. And in vibration intensity we can also change it on these panels just by slide to the left or to the right side on each of the volume panels. Also we can use the vibration sound for incoming calls, and in sound quality and effects we just can turn on and turn off Dolby Atoms for gaming and change the equalizer here. And in separate app sound we can turn on this option just to play media sound from apps which you select on the separate and other audio devices. And if you want to set the don't disturb mode, you should just click on the switcher to activate it. You can also set the schedule, the start, the end time of the don't disturb, and to allow just calls, messages, notifications, alarm sounds just from no one, anyone, just from only for contacts. So that's it. That's all of the sound settings on our Galaxy S23 Ultra. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.